Anhui Energy is located in Anshan City, Guizhou Province. As a modern technology factory integrating R&D, production, and sales, we take innovation as our driving force and inject strong momentum into the global energy storage industry. Founded in 2017, Anhui Energy is a high-tech enterprise deeply engaged in battery technology. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the core R&D concepts of innovation, efficiency, safety, and reliability. We position ourselves precisely according to market demand, establish a strict product quality standard system, and maintain strict control over the entire process from R&D to mass production. We have a complete independent production chain, achieving full process independent control of USB lithium batteries, from raw material processing to final finished products, from the selection and proportioning of cell materials to precision processing on automated production lines, and then to strict inspection and packaging of finished products. Every link is completed in our factory with no outsourcing or intermediate links, ensuring the quality and safety of every battery from the source. Under the name Anhui Energy, the company is committed to providing customers with safe and reliable battery products and solutions. We continue to explore new technologies, refine our products with a rigorous scientific attitude, and integrate the belief of Born for Safety into every part of production and service, winning customers' trust with professionalism and responsibility. Based in Anshan, Guizhou, and facing the global market, Anhui Energy continues to provide customers with trustworthy USB lithium batteries and energy solutions. With solid manufacturing strength and stable product quality, we work hand in hand with global partners to create a safe and efficient energy future.